What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to cover Bluzelle, or the BLZ token or coin, whatever you want to call that. So mainly because I saw that it was quite bullish today, and the volume it's 26 million, which compared to other cryptos is not that much, but compared to what it was yesterday and compared to the market cap of Bluzelle, which is 28 million right now, it has dropped down quite a bit since I last analyzed it. But compared to that, the volume is really high at this point of time. So yeah, so in the last day, like over the last week, it was around 5 million. So right now at around 26 million. It's great. As I said, I haven't analyzed Bluzelle for a long time, so I'm not sure what's going on with it at this point of time. But I did really like the project, and I knew, or I know that there at least used to be a big and great community behind it. I still think that's the case, actually. So yeah, let's get right into it. So the main thing, as you can see, and that was actually great because I didn't realize that if you compare Bluzelle with other cryptos, it has actually been quite bullish over the last few weeks. And I mean, I have to say, it's not bullish. It's not bullish, but compared to other cryptos, it has actually been quite bullish. So, I mean, you can see that this is an uptrend. You cannot draw a clear trend line, but that doesn't matter. I mean, you do not need to draw a trend line to see the uptrend. But just higher lows all around the board and higher highs as well. And that resulted in what we got started yesterday already. We got quite a nice bull run. Hit this level between 10 cents and the 618 fib, quite a strong resistance level, and now we're dropping down through that. Took a small break retest off of this 9.3 cents level. You got that 0.5 Fibonacci level and the 200 EMA there. Was great to see that we could get some bullish momentum out of that level. But now what's happening, I mean, you can see that we're dropping down pretty hard. It doesn't really have to mean anything yet, but the big test for Bluzelle is coming up, because that's that 8.5 cents level. We broke above, with this bull run, we broke above two levels. This level we talked about, 9.3 cents, but also this bigger level between 9 cents and 8.5 cents. Very strong level that caused us to drop down the 29th of May. Made us drop down quite a bit, actually. And now that's the big test, because if we're actually able to stay, I think we'll find at least some bullish move off of that. But if we're actually able to stay above that level and break above this level around the 0.5 fib and the 200 EMA again, so at 9.3 cents, if we're able to get enough bullish power out of that level to get above that level, I think we can actually see those prices around 10.5 cents and maybe even 11 cents again. Now, something like this would be way more likely if the market actually becomes more bullish as well, which it definitely isn't at this point of time. But yeah, it's still possible now. And the other side of the scenario and the other side of the analysis, which I have to talk about as well, is that this scenario is if that 8.5 cents level holds. So if we actually continue to close above that on the 4-hour time frame. If, however, we drop down, so we do not hold that and we drop down to 8 cents, for example, I think it's over for Bluzelle. Not for the long term, but on the short term, I think that's going to cause us to drop down to this level around 7 cents and 7.3 cents again. I don't think this trend line is strong enough to get us back above that level again, unless we get some really good fundamentals. But otherwise, I think something like this is going to happen. So my bias, in all honesty, is towards this one, but it's really depending on what we do at that 8.5 cents level. So keep an eye out for that. Until that time, if you have any questions about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.